A hearth gives warmth, but it shelters something else. When the world outside trembles, something beneath the roof holds. To cross this threshold is to leave the chaos and step into shelter. Here, the home begins. Above men, the roof rises.
喂，上面小心！
抱歉。
哎呀，
Each tile set in place reaffirms an ancient pact. To hold, to protect, to endure.
妈妈，你这是在整理篮子里的东西吗？
我把这些都收起来，准备过冬，我的小宝贝。
In China's earliest days, the pig lived beneath the same roof as men. It turned scraps into reserve. It carried survival, domestic wealth, the promise of days to come. 4 legs, a tail, a single stroke for a snout. The character takes shape. Not a horse, too noble. Not an ox, too distant. But the pig, because it lived at the heart of the home. An animal of abundance, beneath a roof. Repeated, this pattern becomes the village. The roof protects. The pig nourishes. Together they form a first character. Jia, the hearth, the home. For the ancient Chinese, this is where stability begins. For the order of the world was not born in palaces or in law. It was born in what repeated each day, sheltered by walls.